Take this question. Okay, 21 to 25. What they are asking, how many cases should Rebecca supply if he uses the expected value criteria as a decision rule? Read this one. What we have to do? Product hail is highly perishable commodity which can be sold in the retail market 20 per case or for animal food at 1 per case. Hail costs 10 per case for the wholesale market and is for only suitable for the retail market up to 24 hours after purchase. Orders for hail must be placed with advance 1 day. Rebecca, a market stall owner, kept the following records of sale. 50 days, 10 units, 10 units, it will be 15 days has been sold, 20 units, 25 days, 30 units, 10 days. The following summary payoff table has been correctly drawn. 1, 2, 3. How many cases should Rebecca supply if he uses the expected value as a decision rule? Tell me what you will do if you have this question in exam.
Should calculate probability
Easy.
for each of them.
Expected values.
So for 10,
This is column 1,
3.
column 2, column 3, column 4, column 5, column 6, 2 times 3, column 7, 2 times 4, column 8, 2 times 5. How much is there? Check. 0.3, 30, 0.5, 50, 0.2,
30.
20. How much you'll get?
100.
100. Next. 0.3. How
3.
much? 0.3. 3.
3.
0.5.
100.
20.
40.
40. 143. Next. You have the minus value here.
So minus 24.
Minus 24. 55.
55.
60. How much you'll get?
91.
91. Where's the maximum value? Where's the maximum value? Plus,
The middle one.
how much is there?
50, 155.
205,
Yes.
33, 33, 3 plus 6, 9. Which one is how many cases you should supply?
20 cases.
20 cases. Maximum, minimum. Maximum. Now, maximum, minimum. Maximum, minimum is nothing but maximum the minimum payoff. Is it maximum the minimum payoff? No, 1 second. No, it's not here. Okay, maximum the minimum payoff. See the thing. This is 100. This is 10. This is 80. How much is the minimum payoff? Maximum, minimum payoff? Which one they have to select?
Thirty cases.
10
cases.
10 cases. Okay, how much they have to select? 10 maximum, minimum payoff. 10 cases. Understand the rule. Next, what is the next one? Maximum payoff. Maximum payoff. This is minimum payoff. That is the maximum payoff. What is the maximum payoff?
30 cases.
How much is the maximum payoff is how much?
300.
Understand this? This is the easy scoring marks. Okay, this is the, you have to be very clear on the rules, that's all. See, okay, you have to be very clear on the rules. Now, minimum, maximum regret rule. Minimum the minimum, maximum regret.
So minimum minus maximum.
Minimum, maximum regret. Okay. Now, how much is there? 10 per case. Is it 10 per case? How much is the cost? Cost is 10 per case. Is that cost is how much? Cost is 10 per case. And what is the selling price? 20. Okay, 20 and the selling price is how much? 10. You have to put the table. Without table you cannot work. Okay, is it? See the thing. 10 times 10. Okay, 10 times 10 minus, sorry, it is not like that. 10 times 20 minus 10 times 10. It comes to how much? 100. Ten cases, no? It should be like this. It should be like this. How much is there? 100 minus 100. Okay, 0. 100 minus 10. Okay, how much? 90.
Yeah.
Okay, and how much is there? 100 minus of minus. Okay, 100 minus of minus 180. Minus of minus 80. It comes to how much? 180. Next. Twenty cases. Okay, 20 cases. 20 cases means what? Payoff. 20 cases. 200 minus 100. Okay, 200 minus 200. Okay, next. 110, 200. 200 minus 110. Okay, third one. 30 cases. 30 into 10. 30 into 10. 300. 30 into 10. 300 minus 100. 300 minus 200. 300 minus 300. Minimum value. It is 200, it is 100, it is 0. Okay? Minimum value. Minimum regret. Minimum value. How much is the minimum value? Minimum value is how much is the minimum value? Hundred minus 10. 100 minus 1 second.
The last one.
Last one. Maximum, minimum. Okay, maximum regret. Okay, maximum regret. How much? What is the answer? What is the answer?
$30 cases.
30 cases. Why? Why?
So see total. First one total. If you take 90 and 180, 270. Then we have here 190. Here we have only 100.
Maximum value.
And here it's ending with
regret.
0.
Maximum regret. Here what is the maximum value? Here the maximum value is how much? 200. Here the maximum value is how much? 100. Here the maximum value is how much?
180.
Is it right? Now, what is the maximum regret? Where we will say, see, what is the rule? It says that minimize the maximum regret. Okay, minimize the maximum regret. You are minimizing. Is that what is the minimizing? You are minimizing. See, the minimizing the maximum regret. Is it minimizing the maximum regret? What is the minimize? You can reduce how much? Here you can reduce. Okay, reduce how much? 600. Is it? If you are saying that if you are supplying 20 cases, okay, if you are supplying 20 cases, we can minimize the regret. Okay, maximizing the minimum regret as such. Okay, what are you clear about this?
Yes.
Minimizing the maximum regret rule. Okay, means you have to take the minimum value, that is the maximum regret that we will have. Next, what about this? Tell me.
The answer is C.
Yes. Are you clear about this?
Yes.